Property taxes are part of every homeowner's finances. They pay for essential services like roads and public safety. For property owners in our more elderly population, however, there is some relief in the form of a 65 and older exemption. What is an exemption? An exemption is a form of tax relief that removes a portion of your property value from taxation, thereby lowering your taxes. All homeowners pay school taxes, which make up the largest part of any property tax bill. Qualified homeowners receive a mandatory $25,000 general homestead exemption on school taxes. Homeowners age 65 or older or disabled receive an additional $10,000 exemption. Other taxing entities, such as the city and county, may offer exemptions, but for the most part, they are not required by law to do so. For example, if you are paying school taxes and the appraised value of your property is $200,000, the exemptions required by law would reduce the value by a total of $35,000 if you are age 65 or older or disabled. The taxable value of your property would be $165,000. In addition, there is further relief in the form of a tax ceiling. Maria Krigler, Chief Appraiser of the Travis Central Appraisal District, explains.
In the year that the property owner qualifies for the over 65 exemption, their ceiling is established, and then every year thereafter, their school taxes can go below that amount, but it will never go above that amount.
65 and older exemptions follow some of the same guidelines as the general homestead exemption. The property must be the principal residence of the owner. The owner can't claim a homestead exemption on any other property. The exemption applies to the part of the home used as a residence rather than a business or other use. And the owner must provide a copy of their driver's license or state identification card, and the address must match the property address. Additionally, the owner must be age 65 or older as of January 1st of the tax year. The owner may apply for the exemption at any time during the year. But what if the property has multiple owners? Do they both need to be at least 65?
No. For a married couple, if any one of the two is age 65, then the property qualifies for the exemption.
Do property owners need to reapply for the exemption every year?
No, you don't have to reapply. The only time that you'll need to apply for your over 65 exemption is in the year that you turn 65. And unless we request specifically that you submit another application, there's no need to reapply for that.
So what's the best way to apply for an exemption?
You can go online and submit your application online. You can pull it down from our website and print it. The comptroller makes the applications available. You can come into our offices and pick up an application from our office. And then every year with our notices of appraised value, if you don't have the general homestead application or exemption on file, we'll mail you an application with your notice of appraised value.
We hope this information has been helpful for you in better understanding the 65 and older exemption.